After 2,
One,
1, 2.
go, ready?
Hey guys,
What's up?
happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And if you're not a mother, if you're a lady and you made a positive impact to any life, right? Happy Mother's Day to you too.
And
today is Jayden's birthday.
Yep.
Kill him dead, you know. I'm gonna get a big party and whole heap of gifts and whatever, right?
Yeah.
You know, it's just past midday so far and all him get is a happy birthday.
And he's like, Daddy, where's my birthday gonna start?
The man doesn't assume he's gonna get a big bash, you know?
When is his birthday going to start? So we're actually planning a mini surprise birthday party for him. Can't do much because, you know, we have
all
to
what's
be
going on.
social distancing.
I mean, I understand, like, I have a bicycle for him too, you know. I buy a bicycle for him because I'm a dead for a bicycle.
Yeah, we have a bicycle.
Right? When I say like them youth, when I grew up still, you know, just getting happy birthday, just getting
Was
told
enough.
happy birthday, yeah, and just get a nice dinner and just the family love was enough for me growing up, you understand?
True, true.
And these kids these days, like, if you not do the extra thing, them is like them not feel like them have a birthday.
Yeah.
You know, and me not try spoil him still because me personally me want to get him a bicycle, right? Because him never have a bicycle when him younger, probably like age 2 or 3 he have a bicycle. He grow that out now. So every little boy pick me if he have a little bicycle, you know, have a little bicycle experience. So me I get him in bicycle, and it's not because him a press me say oh he want a birthday, a party or whatever, nothing like that. We just need to feel like getting. But generally still we have to be mindful how we grow our kids, right? We live in a material world now where it's all about getting, you know, it's never about what you can give or the love you can share or whatever, and we don't really cherish family, you know, and our friends and stuff like that. So we have to strike a balance between the material things and the actual family love and the family time, you know.
That's true. So we are kind of holding back the birthday celebration, you know, the birthday cake and whatever. We're kind of holding that back until the latter part of the day, and basically just showing family love until then, you know.
Yeah, man.
In an effort to pull back, you know, and to let him know that hey, this day is not necessarily for
just
gifts
gift
only. I mean, it's always good to receive gifts. I love receiving gifts, but I also remember growing up, and some of my fondest memories weren't of the gifts that I received because I can't remember any, but the fondest moments was just the birthday celebration, them singing me happy birthday, the environment in the house, you know, the food. My mom would always prepare this special meal, you know. It was a birthday party, you know. It wasn't fancy, but it was so warm, you know.
No writing. Yeah, sucks. They said them suspend the writing for now. Yeah. Oh well. Probably as we say we can get like
a birthday thing and stick on it. Yeah, so probably we can get a birthday, happy birthday, the thing that you can just stick on top. So we're gonna try and get that. Yeah, but it's really hard to get into stores these days, so we'll see where that goes.
So we got some snacks for the kids, some ice cream, right, cookies, there's a few items for the house otherwise. Yeah man, nothing too big, you know. Yeah, we're back home, right? Yeah, man. Him so anxious and can't wait. So, Jayden, tell me, if I can give you a party and the bicycle and all of them other stuff, would you still be happy?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
You will be?
Yes.
Okay, alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up your cousins Tijani and Dijan, and we'll have ice cream and vibe. You cool with that? Huh? You sure? Alright. Alright, come, let's go. We're gonna pick them up now. Come. Put on your seatbelt. So what you been doing since I've been gone?
Playing game.
Playing game?
Yes.
That alone?
Yes.
Oh, which game? 2K?
Yes.
You get to love that game?
And FIFA.
And FIFA?
No, I didn't play FIFA, I played Fortnite.
Oh, Fortnite and 2K. NBA 2K. Alright, I'll pick up Tijane them now and come back here.
And
Yep. So say hi to the vlog. All the camera. You are the thing.
I vlog.
Yeah, say hey, ask them how they doing. Tell them Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
All away from you. Say, no, you talk to them. Talk to them.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. And then I'll tell you happy birthday. Is it me?
Yes.
Alright.
Surprise! 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 She must get him teeth. So your birthday's not up now?
Oh. My teeth. Eh? Is it my character buzzers? So I'm gonna have to do something to get you out of the house, Jayden. Eh? Not true?
Oh, no problem. Let me go on.
Two of them blow outside? Or blow gone?
Oh my God.
No, put your hand in it. Wash your hand. Wash your hand.
So, So, Jayden, were you surprised?
Yes.
You were? Was that a good surprise?
So why the cat is gone?
No. We don't like them yet. We don't like them yet.
So come back. So you feel like your birthday
Fix your
is
shoes.
now?
Fix your shoes.
Yes.
This guy said that his birthday not start yet. He will come to his father and say, Daddy, when my birthday I gonna start? This is like 12 o'clock in the day, you know, when my birthday I gonna start. So he's like, what do you mean? It's your birthday. He's like, but no, but if there's not gonna go on, so when the birthday I gonna start, so the birthday start now?
Yes.
See your face?
So we're just here with fam. Small gathering. We are still social distancing.
How much are we? Them say no more than 10 in our journey. How much are we this? 3 and 3, 6 and 3, 9. She count, a little one to count.
9.
Alright.
So let's sing happy birthday to the birthday boy.
Alright, come over here, so.
Yeah.
Well, it's a surprise. This one is not a trick, it's a surprise.
Yesterday you said
Say hi to your grandfather.
my birthday not coming.
Say hi to your grandfather.
Hello.
Yeah, we're gonna sing happy birthday. We're gonna sing happy birthday.
birthday.
We're gonna sing happy birthday now.
After 2. Ready? After 2. 1, 2.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jayden. Happy birthday to you.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now?
Hello.
Happy birthday to you. Alright, ready? Ready?
Next 9 months.
Yeah.
Hello.
Eh?
Do you guys like chips and cookies?
Yeah.
Chips and cookies?
Which one are you? Ready?
Ready. Wait.
One,
Wait.
2, 3, go.
After 2,
One.
1, 2.
Oh, ready?
Wait, thank you.
Come this way. Come this
Daddy
way.
brought out his bicycle that he was asking for.
You know, come to your bicycle.
Come and receive your prize, or you don't want it. So what's you like it? What else do you have to say?
Thank you.
Press, use the brake. Use the brake. Yeah, use the brake. Keep it on the brake.
No.
You know?
Yes. Ah. Oh, goodness, I need to start going that way. I want to come on the sidewalk.
No, you're gonna fall. Come back in the street. Go back.
So he finally got the hang of it, guys.
I memory. You know, ride bicycle, man. You just did I try to get your memory?
You better go, Jayden.
Go on. Put one foot on the pedal. Yeah. Oi. Hush. Hush.
You're in pain, son.
Look here, let me show you. Oh God. Yeah, man, I'm going like I'm an expert now. Jesus Christ. Go and just keep the bicycle straight. Go straight up there, so.
Did you know where I'm going to come an expert?
Jayden. Go on, ride straight.
Keep on turning.
Pedal. Yeah, guys, see me gone? Like I'm an expert. Alright, so if you like what you've seen, do remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Alright, yeah man, and have a peaceful day. Alright, peace out. Yep.